I'm sure the Delhi Chief Minister saw it coming. I'm sure he saw it coming that there would be multiple questions asked of him about his response to this entire issue, about his response to the allegations that Swati Maliwal has raised. So it must be thought out when the Aam Aadmi Party has decided that Bibhav Kumar will accompany the Delhi Chief Minister to Lucknow, which is where the question arises. So what is the messaging they're trying to send across? Is this them sending out a message that they're going to shield Bibhav Kumar, that they believe is innocent? If that is the case, then when Sanjay Singh confirmed there was an assault, who then attacked Swati Maliwal? And that's a question hopefully we'll get answers to in the coming days. But I just want to, and I request Arvind and Amit to stay with us, I just want to round up all the developments that we've seen in this particular case. Arvind Kejriwal, as I pointed out earlier, was in Lucknow today. And India Today's team of reporters constantly tried to get answers from Kejriwal on what he had to say, or what he thinks about the allegations raised by Swati Maliwal. We also put forth questions to Bibhav Kumar, Arvind Kejriwal's right hand, who's been accused of assault by Maliwal. We wanted to give them a chance to speak out, to respond to these allegations. None of them had a word to say.
2 days have passed since AAP MP Swati Maliwal made 2 calls to Delhi police, reporting an alleged physical attack on her by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's personal assistant Bibhav Kumar. While Maliwal did not follow up with a written complaint, a police team reached her residence on Thursday to investigate. The man accused of the assault, Bibhav Kumar, meanwhile was seen with Arvind Kejriwal in Lucknow. When confronted about the allegations against his aide, Kejriwal dodged the question. Bibhav Kumar too evaded queries.
Bibhav जी कुछ बोलेंगे आप? स्वाति पालीवाल ने जो आरोप लगाए हैं आप पर, सर जो आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता हैं संजय सिंह, उन्होंने भी जो है जिस तरह से कहा, कुछ कहेंगे सर आप?
अरविंद जी, स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक
At a press conference in Lucknow, Kejriwal was asked once again about the assault. In response, he passed the microphone to AAP MP Sanjay Singh.
प्रज्वल रवन्ना ने बलात्कार किया, दरिंदगी की, मां की उम्र की महिलाओं के साथ। प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं ये भारत को मजबूती देगा, इसी को वोट देना। जब वो पहलवान बेटियों के लिए जंतर मंतर पे न्याय मांगने गई थी स्वाति मालीवाल जी, उस समय घसीट के मरवाया पुलिस वालों से। इस पे राजनीतिक खेल ना खेलें, मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं।
Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who was at the press meet, downplayed the incident.
स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं हैं। आपके उससे आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल
के मामले में ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अरविंद जी क्या कहेंगे?
भाजपा किसी के सही
अरविंद जी, आज आपके साथ भी वो आए हैं, आज आपके साथ में भी आए
हैं। झूठे मुकदमे लगाने वाला गैंग है।
आप क्या बोलेंगे स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में, क्या बोलेंगे आप?
The BJP is gunning for Kejriwal.
अगर कोई पुलिस को कंप्लेन करता है तो पुलिस उसका संज्ञान देगी, मगर मैं इतना ही कहता हूं कि अभी उनको बेचारे को जिस इश्यू में फंसे इससे निपटारा लाने दीजिए, काहे को ये सब में उलझाती है आप।
The Congress, an ally of AAP, called for appropriate action.
किसी भी महिला के साथ अगर अभद्र व्यवहार हो, कोई भी अत्याचार हो, तो मैं उस महिला के पक्ष में ही खड़ी हूं और बोलूंगी। और मैंने ये, चाहे हमारे प्रदेशों में हुआ है, चाहे हमारे आसपास कुछ हुआ होगा या कहीं और, तो मैंने हमेशा यही स्टैंड लिया है सबसे पहले।
The National Commission for Women has now stepped in, summoning Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar on May 17. With Abhishek Mishra in Lucknow, Milan Sharma, Arvind Ojha and Abhishek Anand in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And I'd like to also bring in on this broadcast Preeti Chaudhary, who's joining us live, in fact, from Uttar Pradesh. She's been tracking very, very closely the Aam Aadmi Party's response to this entire controversy. Preeti, good evening. You know, how is the AAP actually dealing with this? There are a lot of questions. One, of why Kejriwal is choosing not to speak and remain completely silent in the face of several questions being asked of him in that press conference today. And second, an admission of assault, yes, and yet Bibhav Kumar seen there in that trip to Lucknow with the Chief Minister. So there will be questions about whether the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to send across a message that we stand by Bibhav, we believe he's innocent. Well, the fact is still now Swati Maliwal has not come out and made any public statement. Internally, she's told the party she has full faith in the system. The party right now is treating this as an internal matter of the party. Having said that, you can see the personal assistant of Arvind Kejriwal travel with him. What ensued was, a fracas from both sides is what the Aam Aadmi Party maintains, that there was misbehavior at the part of Bibhav, who is the personal assistant of the Chief Minister, but Swati Maliwal was also being aggressive, and as per the account of the internal account of the personal assistant, even she was aggressive. What we can expect now is an internal committee to be set up. There's a lot of pressure on the Aam Aadmi Party. Today we spoke to Priyanka Gandhi, and she herself says that she is going to speak with Arvind Kejriwal and try and figure out a way forward, and she stands by the side of the woman. In all of this right now, Akshita, the spotlight is on Swati Maliwal. Will she come out and make a public statement? Because what's baffling is, even if she thinks that this is the internal matter of the party, which the party keeps, continues to maintain, that it's a small thing which happened is what the party says. It's an internal matter of the party. Swati Maliwal internally, as per our sources, has, at least pledged faith to what the party, has decided to treat it as an internal matter and form a committee to investigate the matter and take action at the back of it. But coming back to the question, what is baffling is, if this is the case, why is it that Swati Maliwal, at least by the virtue of social media or possibly a one-line statement to the press, say that she is with the party line, that, she's one with what the party thinks, because she's not done that. But what she's also not done is lodge a formal police complaint or actually come out and make a public statement ever since this entire episode is right now, down. Preeti, My as sources
we
close to Swati Maliwal tell me that...
As we speak, Preeti, a Delhi police team is actually in Swati Maliwal's residence, reportedly taking her statement so that they can move forward with that investigation. There are questions, of course, of why Swati Maliwal is silent. But I want to understand, in the face of Swati Maliwal saying that, look, I will abide by what the party does. I believe that the party will ensure justice. The fact that Bibhav Kumar is there with the Chief Minister, does that mean that the Aam Aadmi Party believes that Bibhav wasn't involved in this assault?
No, he was definitely involved. How can the Aam Aadmi Party believe that he wasn't involved? Sanjay Singh has spoken to the press and he has made a verbatim statement that there was misbehavior at the part of the personal assistant. So there's no question of the Aam Aadmi Party believing that Bibhav is not involved. However, at the back of it, what they say is going to be a formal investigation which will be conducted on both accounts. So both parties, be it Swati Maliwal or be it Bibhav, will keep their office and keep whatever the line of work that they've been doing till the time this investigation is over, and at the back of it, action will be taken. This is an assurance which has been given to Swati Maliwal, is at least what my sources are telling me. My sources close to Swati Maliwal tell me that she, which is baffling, but if, that makes sense, is not making a public statement because she doesn't want the BJP to feed off what she maintains is right now, an internal matter of the party.
Okay.
But I don't think she understands at the back of it, not just the sheer fact she was the DCW chief. She should be vocal about the fact if there was harassment, then she should come out and speak and make it a point, because that's what she stood for an entire career. And on the other hand, come out, if she doesn't want to make a, lodge an FIR or a complaint, then come out and make a public statement. Say you stand by your party. But neither has happened.
Very true. Preeti, one final question to you. Away from the politics of it, you just look at the serious, grave nature of allegations here. And what's baffling is, yes, that Swati Maliwal hasn't spoken out here. Is it because of some pressure, or is she choosing to do so willfully, believing that, there will be a fair probe by the Aam Aadmi Party? Is still a question mark. The Delhi police team is there at her residence, so we'll hopefully have answers to that in a couple of hours from now. But as far as Bibhav Kumar goes, to say that pending investigation, he will hold on to his post. We're talking about very grave allegations here of him having assaulted a woman. The Aam Aadmi Party surely knows how that plays out.
Well,
you are right. But when we did speak to our sources within the Aam Aadmi Party, they tell us, how do you know that there hasn't been a counter reaction from Swati Maliwal, or who instigated? What till now is very vague on what really happened. Misbehavior. We still don't know what this misbehavior is. Was there physical assault? Was there verbal assault? What really went down? And the Aam Aadmi Party maintains that there are two sides to the story, and both stories will be taken into account, and there will be justice that will be delivered. That is what Swati Maliwal has allegedly been told. But having said that, yes, I would think what would be the right way in all of this would be that you ask either sides to step aside on what their immediate job is pending an inquiry, and let that inquiry come, if both sides are happy with the inquiry, come to a fair conclusion which is acceptable to both parties, and then either take action against the personal assistant like that has been promised to Swati Maliwal, or you come up with what the findings of that inquiry were.